My name's Ted Whitekemper. I'm a corporate trainer at Metropolitan Community College here. I do certifications in OSHA 10 safety, in tape and measure, and in forklift. Supply chain logistics really is the language of business. You need to understand how this works to understand how the economy works. An OSHA 10 certification, it's just really a basic understanding of safety principles that you will need in any industry. You carry the card with you forever, and it's the number one priority wherever you go is safety. Tape and measure is important because we don't just rent space by the floor space, it's the cube space. You have to be able to measure how big something is to store things properly, to move things properly. You don't have to have a lot of experience to learn how to drive a forklift. I figure that the people that come into the class have driven a car. We really break down all the different parts of a forklift, how they work, why they're designed the way that they're designed. We'll go over lifting capacities, how to read a data plate, learn how to handle the fuel. It's a really good basic understanding of how to safely run the machine. If you're willing to be patient and you're willing to come take this class, I will get you certified in a forklift. It's that simple. We'll work together. We'll go as slow as you need. We'll get you through it. This is an easy way to get a jump start in life with some logistics certification. It's just a really saleable set of skills that are pretty easy to grab, pays pretty well, and can really help you move your life forward.